Nowadays, everyone likes to play video games, and to become a pro in gaming, you need a good controller.
Here is the abxylute M4 Snap-on mobile controller.
Before we move forward, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification icon for more exciting videos.
Let's unbox our product.
Inside the box you have user manual, magnetic adhesive ring which we can stick with any Android phone, and the product itself.
Let's talk about its design. It is made up of plastic.
In the upper side it has left-right trigger and shoulders.
In the right side it has a pairing button.
In the front side it has a 2D button, 2 joysticks, plus minus and mode button.
In the bottom it has a Type-C charging port.
It is small and compact in size. It only weighs 56 grams without its magnetic ring.
The power of the magnet is so good that it cannot easily fall from your phone.
It's come with the 300 mAh battery which can last around 12 hours. You can make the mobile stand with your magnetic ring.
You can play any type of retro and modern games from this controller. You can connect it very easily through the Bluetooth.
Press the power button. When the light appears, press the power button again until the light blinking fast, then it comes to the pairing mode. You can play games by snap on the controller and also detach it. You can also put the controller from the back side of your phone when it is not in use. It comes with the tree mode switch, PS mode and Android HID.
Its response time is very quick.
You can connect this controller with all of your devices like iPhone, Android, PC, and MacBook. If you want this product, go check the link in the description and please subscribe our channel for more videos.